A solar company in Florida went from 13 reviews to 1,300 reviews. Now, why did they do that and how did they do that? That's what I'm going to be explaining in this video. But first, we want to know, why are reviews even important? Well, it's because they build trust. But why is trust important? Well, what's the number one thing that needs to take place in order for a sale to occur? Trust. And reviews is a channel to build that trust. Just like a one-on-one sales conversation is a channel to build that trust, to understand their situation and their problems and their solutions that they have in their mind. That's why. So reviews is just a channel to drive trust to your business, to increase revenue and increase sales. And the first step to actually acquiring reviews is this. Whenever the customer is at the highest possible state they can be emotionally, that's whenever you ask for their review. And you ask for that whenever you deliver the service. All right. Then you're going to gauge where they are on the happiness scale. I like to call it 1 to 10. So let's just say if I delivered a vehicle wrap to my customer, that's a roofing company. And I say, hey, how happy were you with the service we provided you? Or hey, how happy are you with this vehicle wrap? Or hey, what do you like about this vehicle wrap? Whatever, you can ask it any way. Then from their enthusiasm and from their words, you are going to be able to decipher how happy they are with the service you provided them. And from that, you can gauge whether or not to ask for a review. You'll be able to decide two things. One, if they actually love the service you provided them, or two, if you need to adjust the service you provided them to make them happier, okay? And even if they don't like it that much, this is actually great for you because you have an opportunity to help them solve the service that you didn't deliver on 100% on how they perceived you were going to deliver it on. So you can go back and fix it, and they can give you a better review. So let's go back to the vehicle graphic example. Let's say, hey, how happy were you with this vehicle graphic? Like, what do you like about it? And like, oh man, it's so awesome. I love how this, and this, and X, Y, and Z. And now we're like finally seen, and we have a whole van that's wrapped for our roofing company. It's super cool. We have our numbers. I love it. You guys did a great job. Then you're like, okay, awesome. So it would mean the world to me and our company if you would be able to leave us an honest review on Google. Would you be willing to do that? And usually from that, when they're happy, you're like, oh, frick, I just got a ton of value from this person. Let me give back to them. From that, you're going to ask for an honest review that's descriptive, and you're going to suggest to them that they include a photo or a video of the service that you have delivered to them. This is what Google wants, and this is how you get your Google business profile and the top of the search so more people find you. The key thing to make sure and keep in your mind is not to push for a 5-star review. You suggest a 5-star review. Google wants honest feedback from the customers that you serve. Otherwise, it's illegal. And if they don't know how to write a review, you could just suggest something like, yeah, just write down what you like most about working with us, what you like most about the service you got, like just things like that. Like, why is it valuable to you? If we deserve a 5-star review, give us a 5-star review. If not, we just want your honesty and authenticity because it helps us. And there you go. Boom, that's it. Here's the rules for getting reviews. Number 1, each customer gets 1 review request per service. If they decline, wait 90 days minimum back to them and see where they at and ask for a review again. This is the authenticity requirement that matters a lot. The review must reflect genuine customer experience. No incentives, no discounts, no bribes, because that goes against Google's policy and it's also illegal, and that will not help you at all. Reviews must include specific service details if you want to get in the top of the search. This is how the solar company was actually able to go from 13 to 1,300. They dealt with a lot of customers, and after every single sale was made, they went back to the people that have their electricity bill down. They just asked, hey, how do you feel about the service we provided you? And then they say, hey, it would mean the world to us if you could give us an honest review on Google. Would you be willing to do that? And then from that, they could say yes, no, maybe so, whatever, respect their decision. Go if they say no, follow up in 90 days minimum. But here's what happens whenever you get more reviews, okay? Obviously, results may vary depending on how many customers you're serving and how many reviews you're actually going after. More reviews equals better local search rankings. Better rankings equal more visibility. More visibility equals more customers finding you. More customers equal more review opportunities. And the cycle goes over and over and over. And the flywheel starts spinning. You're already doing great work. Now all you have to do is 1, document it media-wise, and 2, document it by customer feedback. So in the comment section, I pinned a comment where there's a 6-step review system that you can just follow, and it'll be super easy for you. So if you got value from this video, let me know. Subscribe, do whatever all the other CTA YouTube stuff is. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.